All right, guys, I'm going to kind of go over what I'm expecting with this. You're going to become a crime scene investigator, which is shortened for a CSI. Your mission is every day you will look at a scenario given on the fate of the lost colonist. You'll read a report and look at the clues and evidence and fill out the report after reading. Remember, we will focus on a new scenario every day. Your mission begins now. Scenario 1 is the longest one, but it's the one that most people think happened. It's that they traveled to Croatan Island. You're going to look at this just like a detective, how they would look at the clues. This goes in to tell you that they did an excavation in the 80s and found this evidence. You're going to look at the evidence and then answer this question thoroughly. So when it says what other ways could these items have been found at the island? Remember, you got to figure out how the pots and pans or the brass buttons could have been there if it wasn't the lost colony. Then you're going to think from another point of view, like detectives have to do, because it says, let's think about this for a second. And then you're going to go down and answer these 5 questions. It's going to ask you to look at this picture closely and look at the drawing for clues as well. You can copy and paste the drawing into a separate Google Doc so you can zoom in on it, or you can zoom up here. It's up to you. When you're answering this, make sure you're answering completely. So the first question says, examine the picture to the right very closely. What is happening? If you just say sitting in a circle, that's not what's happening. It's maybe a little bit, but you have to look closer. So I am looking for complete answers on this because this is the only assignment you have, and we're reading for details and thinking about other possibilities. So it's going to take more than one sentence. So please make sure you are taking the time to answer.